Arjun was 16 years old, full of dreams, but there was one problem. He could never stay disciplined. Every day he promised himself to study English, yet distractions always took over, leaving him restless and frustrated. Once upon a time, in a quiet village surrounded by green hills, there lived a young boy named Arjun. Arjun was 16 years old and full of dreams. He wanted to achieve great things in life, but there was one problem. He found it very hard to stay disciplined. Every day, he promised himself to study English and practice new words, but soon distractions took over. His mind felt restless, and he often felt frustrated and sad. Arjun looked at other students who were learning quickly and wondered why he struggled so much. Deep inside, he knew he did not want to give up. A small voice in his heart kept whispering, "Keep going. You can do this." That tiny voice marked the start of his journey towards self-discipline and growth. Arjun tried many ways to improve. He opened his English notebooks, watched videos, and read simple stories, but soon his mind wandered. Sometimes he forgot the new words he had learned. Other times he felt tired or bored. Each failure made him feel sad, and he often thought, maybe I am not good enough. Maybe learning English is too hard for me. His friends sometimes laughed at him, saying he would never succeed. These words hurt, but Arjun did not give up completely. Deep inside, he wanted to change. He remembered the small voice that had encouraged him before. Keep going. You can do this. Arjun realized that learning was not easy, and discipline would take effort. But he also understood that every small attempt mattered. Each day, even a little practice could bring him closer to his goal. One morning, Arjun made a decision. He told himself, "Today, I will not give up. I will practice English every day, even if it is only a little." He promised to follow a simple routine: 30 minutes of reading, 15 minutes of writing, and 15 minutes of listening every day. At first, Arjun felt nervous. He knew it would be hard and his mind might wander again. But he also felt hope. He imagined himself speaking English confidently, understanding stories easily, and inspiring others. That thought gave him courage. He packed his notebook, pen, and dictionary and started his disciplined journey. Arjun understood that success would not come quickly, but every small step would bring him closer to his dream. Today was the first day of real change. The first week was difficult for Arjun. Some days he felt tired, and his mind wandered back to distractions. Sometimes he forgot words he had learned or made mistakes while writing sentences. It was frustrating, and a part of him wanted to give up. But Arjun remembered his promise. He told himself, "Discipline is doing what is necessary, even when it is hard." Every morning, he read one short English story. Every afternoon, he wrote simple sentences and practiced speaking aloud. Every evening, he listened to a story and tried to understand each word. Slowly, he noticed small changes. Reading became easier. Writing was smoother. His confidence grew. Even small mistakes no longer discouraged him. They taught him patience and perseverance. Days turned into weeks, and Arjun began to feel proud. His restless mind was becoming calm. He could focus on one task at a time. Each small effort built his strength, and he understood that real growth comes from consistent, patient work. One day, Arjun met Mr. Ramesh, a retired teacher who had helped many students learn English. Arjun approached him and said, "Sir, I want to stay disciplined and learn English, but my mind keeps wandering. How can I do better?" Mr. Ramesh smiled kindly. "Arjun, discipline is like planting a tree. he said. You water it every day, even if it seems small. Some days it grows quickly. Some days it grows slowly. But if you never stop, it will become strong and healthy. He gave Arjun a simple task. Write one sentence every morning. Read one page every night. Focus on these small steps. Over time, your mind will learn to stay focused and your skills will improve. Arjun understood the lesson. Discipline was not about perfection. It was about never giving up and taking small steps every day. From that moment, he felt guided and motivated, ready to continue his journey. Weeks passed, and Arjun's life began to change. He could focus better, read stories more easily, and understand English without help. Each small effort he made was showing results. His confidence grew, and he felt proud of his progress. One day, he read a story from start to finish without stopping or asking anyone for help. He understood every word and sentence. Joy and pride filled his heart. Arjun remembered the days when he struggled, felt restless, and almost gave up. Now he realized that perseverance and discipline had brought him here. His mind, once full of worries and distractions, was now calm and steady. He understood the secret. Small daily efforts, done with patience and consistency, lead to big results. Success was not sudden. It came step by step. Arjun felt stronger, wiser, and more determined than ever to continue his learning journey. Arjun thought to himself, I understand now. Success is not about talent alone. It is about never giving up, even when it is hard. Every small effort counts. He realized that learning English and practicing discipline work together. Each disciplined step improved both his language skills and his inner strength. Mistakes were no longer failures, they were lessons. Patience, persistence, and focus had transformed his life. Arjun smiled, knowing that anyone could achieve their dreams with determination. Discipline, perseverance, and daily effort were the keys. He felt proud, confident, and ready for whatever challenges came next. Arjun was no longer the restless boy who gave up easily. He had become patient, focused, and resilient. His friends noticed his progress and asked him for advice. He smiled and said, discipline and small daily steps can change your life. If I can do it, so can you. Arjun felt proud, peaceful, and confident. His journey had transformed him, and he knew that perseverance and consistent effort would guide him through every challenge ahead. If Arjun's story inspired you, remember this. Small steps every day lead to big results. Stay disciplined, never give up, and practice English daily. If you enjoyed this story, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more motivational English stories that help you grow and learn every day.